This stabilization effect has been wildly popular ever since the commercial that dropped for the Beats headphones back in 2019. And here's how you can achieve this effect easily. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Corey from CNS Media, and today we're going to be going over the ever so popular stabilization effect in both After Effects and Premiere Pro. This is a great and easy way to add some spice to your video to help make it more eye-catching. With your imported clip in After Effects, make sure your playhead is at the beginning of your timeline. Go to the Tracker tab and select Stabilize Motion. Now, with these tracker points, increase the size of the boxes to the size of the subject's head. Now select the Analyze Forward button. After Effects will work its magic and track the subject's head wherever it moves. Depending on the length of your clip, this could take some time. Just be patient. Next, we will click Apply under the Analyze function. Make sure you're applying it to the X and Y dimensions and click OK. You'll see the screen is tracked, and you will probably have some sections that have no video. Increase the size until you fill the gaps. You now have the perfect head tracking stabilization effect. See how simple that was in After Effects? Now, let's crush it in Premiere Pro. With your imported clip in Premiere, make sure your playhead is at the beginning of your desired clip. Bring down your rulers to where you want your tracking point to be. This could be a nose or a logo. Create a keyframe on your first frame, and start moving frame by frame and adjusting the position to make sure your desired tracking point is still where the first keyframe is. Repeat this process until you are finished with your desired clip. Once you're finished, scale up your footage if needed to remove any black video edges that may have happened while tracking. And there you go, you've just crushed the stabilization effect, and I bet it's easier than you thought. If you learned anything new from today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe, as I'll be releasing some new videos in the near future. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.